mà là cái tiếng chạy nhor cái đồng dit media cái chẳng dân đang rau để baro cái phải vào rau cái ron khi đang rau để dân đang rau để diệt agan mak bangut gốc bây giờ nông là rất là nông dân chẳng cái đồng dit media cái tin lát cái rồi địa region of Sudan cái nó win mo nó đó điền and wala cái chẳng cái dân đang rau để baro cái phải vào rau đồng dit media bên nó update ni cái situation đó nó trôi rồi lò cái ni cái tai chính gì cái khor cái wat cái con đang đọc thế chúa about the situation of today cái chẳng cái đang rồi baro của cái thế đi rồi lò cái tin chả lật tin me about clear information about where about the commanders take on there joirar ka wat alla commanders SPDF wa ta ka tin ta bat me cha wat me cha joy ka ko ni dang dok te chuwa ma se jere ude bo ko chi mai care ja community chi mai care one of the section ka low community ti ta ko uror county ka jongle state ba yo ko no reason na no ne ga message mo ga je edit ngu kamen go ne ko ba ling ba chi mai care en woro ko ken ti lenga tung woro na ko dung dit media edit ngu ko no bi ko wor ke njo mo wo chi mai care ko bi ko ling ga malar ne ke men yo dien balaw SPL mai ko lo no territory but me cha wat me cha kabaken tele ga zaman ba wesa ken they don't need to waste time te ti gur ga bala de ken urgently number 1 e wo ba woror headquarter ala yoy anang ke ken ba ye tereke mere ude e wo de facto commissioner ka ko bu county ni James kwet nya lew ala kwet makwaj a woyke men yo dien ne wo SPLM aji pocket ti ko ne ka padding payam ko nyirol county ka kwa dismantle men wan dien balaw mobilization of the post ray local it is the right time now ko bangwan local ba mobilize SPLM ayu ko be organize at the post taro kan ba nung yen tian ne me alab den ni the situation to ray local la ne ko yene ko dun kon la gor ne ko dun din mi dia ni chang ke la de mi yo me tiam pin ni jam linge be like be share ko be ne wan kan be ko sho situation da ji to ray local ke ko ni nang rawti kera kata chane monitor ko chane war online through communication ke ne kon ko ground yana take a good picture minu ray local is now under the control of SPLMIU ka 90%. Chara kata na yana ngai ke jago SPLMIU is in firm control of Wat, of Lanken, of Motot, of Pieri, of Akubu, of Walgak, and a center of law, with the exception of Uai, Karoade. So no, is the development of today. Milar Jaku and Ray Loco is 90% controlled by SPLMIU, but Micha Uai, Micha Kabaken. Mere information ke gwa na na commanders la po me commanders of SPDF te ajoirar ka wat ko dia linkon ke te allegation ne go tanken men ka bor tanken winit we don't have a clear picture of what can e lo ko bad me cha khor me chater and the information je nong ne yen tame ko kan commanders take on we start with Walnyak ya ka Walgak currently take a Walgak right to dan take a Walgak dormla dor chien twaide so we cannot talk about the detail of what chien twaide ga ngan ka Walgak lakin the clear information o Walnyak ya ka Walgak today the discussion about Walnyak back and ka Walgak ba nang what SPLMIU tino is going on ya tin la road that telecommunication did but in a big picture it's good that Walnyak as a Ramkel commander Modich Cheron ko be nyurchang to luak constitution re logo ta bad me ya forward me jate ron ko ba wote da SPLMIU bo de decision ko ni ne ba nang tin Cherlor ke Walgak personality me take one ti gor jare lock ke this particular time that tiram kel ke tugduel kel ke den no be nyor kude so yendi walga yene to wol nyak dorunto you complied with royal at spela mai ko ngone wol nyak awaka wat without any quarrel biduni mashakal so no more about wol nyak when we talk about quadatem quadatem te information daro let's say information dang jok number 1 awajane te ga yidit we cannot talk about the family and the share all ga yidit menta kel okay but the information what he did is a part of Walgak. A boomer, one of Pablo Boomer Walgak. A wajak currently. In the same situation of Walnyak is going on there. Ko ne te win me, larga je over the care like a manui agwad jagaken. Which are honorable to as well my that need time according to them. Our message meta court me take a ye did. The same like Walnyak honorable to the SPL my is about quote. Among the content ka padding the latke. Mukune lar will take a two conflicting report about quote. Wa quote bo ka patwot kong ke biel badol ke Abraham Lado mo wood Equatoria ke wood malacholo mo Arcangelo mo wood Bargazal. Ne to waka ka padding together. So mukune lar will take a conflicting report ko go on to quote in clear. Ke jojo yi dit ke jojo e padding. So the latest what take a padding kel ga ne ya kwen ta patwot kong tin te biel batin ta Abraham Lado tin ke buru yolo mo Arcangelo plane oken de charodian bar ka wat te la jikum. So no information about where the commander is. We talk about Wolnya ko jaga walga. We talk about quadatem ko te conflicting report. Wa jaga yidit balwe jaga padding. Plane de korja kwen tin ta padding. So the Raminishop, according to the report of today, Minishop bore Kiwanoke. Message order, a message in Allah who work here my care. Here my care, a community of Chin Jack. My care Jack is a section. We take over count. So if we talk of personalities, here my care, that way dual is one of share my care. Benjamin Marial Benjamin Ramkel Rishi Mike here. Yadao Paul Ramkel Rishi Mike here. Plus others to comment on war will to take a jub. That she Mike here. So in a period of time, remember not core. Majority of them. Can I take on the Malkuma allow Kobe chop Raylock. Obu kumu chom naga yuai kanere toge fa lawo ken ko most of them ta ka prawn ta ka tuishing me ja lawo ken di kume ta ga yuai ke this following years ke part of government some of them ke part of IO but ko land ne je en ta kume reide they are very close to the government mane chapken. So my situation made a thin period of time more nobody take care of one and she my care in Ulel Kenmok on that area. We can do one and situation local is quiet. Then I go when the time come Mabro Lado, Maguelo the Alkel. Nobody think about she my care what they can do anything with their law. With their kalutake. So these following days, the water cup. Yes, well, my way to organization toward right. That is not secret. We cannot hide it anymore. So in preparation more, you couldn't take a check position. They will not withstand the post and then again can spell my way. And they are trying everything. Go on and move me the lelecan. We don't do low court. We don't do balance of power. We couldn't know come in can spell my way. So they don't have people from outside, but no one okay no come as we know the level of the government. Gurgano and a problem back create within. you can commanders of the SPDF to contact you. He go warar cha chi mai kier cha ka approach. Cha ka you come bia ka you bia ban kap ka day. That is a picture we see yesterday. He mai kier you ye and you wara ka you. We see wara go he kap ka day. So we see the picture. Man video ni ken ke te right pan. Kana kon ja swela mai ji SPDF ka you. We see their commanders. Baga nyin ke aspela mai wo golben ka yayo baga nyin ngomor baga nyin ke gabal baga nyin ngalo ko ken. That was a taro je right ke da quick pan tela da quick. So go into raw when we look into them go she mai care ko lar go she mai care as a section kalo kanede de ngulong re lo ko that other nor gur ko ba ngaje picture mo go she mai care ka situation me lo tin ta me gur ko ba yu ai ba clear ngum ba lele ken kan ka declare. So the first thing we talk about their number. Here my care e my care jak to lor jog jak te tin ke ga ke win bo ko wa ja dak te ga dak ko ken to one to ro yu ru lon to my care at 25% out of 100 ki yu ru ku ji wuro ko ko mat general ko mat jacob plus spell my post all of that are in the sub position. They can buy here my care, they can buy the spell my g at the same time, which are organized the same way we are seeing it today. So we you know that we share my care at 1% low if you combine low they are together. At 25% if you talk about only she and duck a percent she and jack. So she can edit the low they threat. So if we talk about what their position of yesterday, and we could influence as we talk about their members, community members to contact government, and let know well. So I can mention. Can they go confused? Take one when the pan of lies, we see their bogny and so when we come to one and what will they do? Nothing. Tell them about that. And turn down the road, a one a pastime. Tell them you are mobilized, and allow you better yin a rock, and unless they me talk, me talk. You know whatever the mobilization they are doing, but I get two-way. Need a panda you have much. I mean, you have a day. Majority of them here, when they can mobilize, they come back to their home. Hello. They will only see what law are doing. What can law? We don't know what a message Mogish might hear. You are much a nang pan kayay. Came to me a nang rag. A child you need a law. You think again. Sarah, law be a nika like here might hear. And what is your objective to file law? Is it because of your duckpole? Because of Marial Benjamin? Or what? La benefit me again go kuma again or ken. Gershenda. So no message mo ka can share my care ko is up to you to decide. Me no gene she be anyi ngolo be char. Ko go yene she the reason to file law. Deri anang pan ga yoy. Kala ba dai law ko to balan mo go law ke. Either Birala individually, Kibera Lashia my care, other traditional authorities, La Bong could, Palarwine commander or right reactor. Can I call the Yagalo? Yaragani. So Raimo, Ryan and Wakashi, my care, who we heard about their message, Tana Latkene, who they will fight low. And we talk about how they can fight low. Okay, 1% a low. And if they fight low, they will be the loser. That we advise them as a group, as individual, who don't attempt. Don't attempt to fight law. Men the audience, a lot of the audience, issue of command. We talked about it yesterday. Who has PLMIU, red law, could take it to go to be urgent. To go there at this time, bad me share what me a cup. Who the morale is to be utilized in revolution. Moral of the people is very important at a time. Moral, and then you put forward the activities to be moral by a bit. Activities to go revolution command territory of law need to be reorganized. We talked about it yesterday. Along go to new places, go to energy did to command us. Addition to command it to win. So that's at a time we go over west afterward. But the next target, but what? Anyway, no matter what. So we are control share local la territory local share well job. That means the security local is stable. You control all the route to control. Biaspiala mayo betaka friend I log of activity to go to that means the next objective, what? Anyway. So that we follow who activities called around UI community because amusing, because into the law, typical to go on. So that we are urging as well mayo law but what? Take UI. Number 3. Who take you you remove the de facto commissioner of our Kobo County. As well as my the reason me run threat today, Ray Log, look at Kobo. So we always talk about James Quid McQuaid, who is a de facto. Here I'm not as well as my Kobo Betaka Kobo commissioner. You know all the situation, all the story they know with all. The teacher as well my tin is legible who are a complete. Taylor as well my we know them all. So Mungo Kuba and Tama Mendagayabu Kuba. You the weakness as well my you the dual. You the Yeotem threat car Kubu, which is not there. Metelamuku, but I think our Kubu threat. So the more Urumejaka Kobu in the name of Spela Mayo, the moral of Jacobu toward the revolution weapon as we are seeing it. We don't know the third step, but what another work with Makwai Kobu, but as Spela Mayo. We talk about all the things. Everybody know them. The only thing MS is the right time to quit a wake. Cool. Men one in a woman and Micha, you and me are cup. The commission about Kobo, you replace the pocket of the Aspiala my G to contract a padding. Their position is clear, despite today they were in a meeting. $1 a padding. Can you all count it? Can break away to conte chapel one and a child quarter hours padding at a guy. But may you wouldn't actually bull McQuay, may a desert, the work I yield. The cupboard. So, Guru of the enemy. Padding, she could be wielded. Their personality that we can mention their name, Tiaga Padding and them. They should ask Fiala Maiji. She could be wielded. Quick go to the Telegram. Today they were in a meeting. So Mulu and it is the right time go Bukumala Kumago and take a general count, Baka approach. Go and Munako Buguluinga as Pella Maigo. A Chamate our go can chow Jack Pellichok. Tago binder William. They are welcome Kokolo. We talked about them yesterday. They got a cake told shake thing okay. Welcome back. Buguluinduri kid. Below Bongo Spare of Spella Mai with the same target and a wall, making a conti. Nobody will fight them. So they need to be approached. Canada corner take a padding either they choose to go keep the Ramada Spella Mai, which is no Guru Kor. So the rock Kenton Tende Spella Mai would as a immediate action, but may check what, may check control. So in summary, Chakola the way update about the situation they lock this 27th of December. But me cha forward be chater. We talk about the information you check a link to go and to commanders and a former commanders of Ward Garrison. But me jaga joirar what the contract tin chakalat. Talk about Wolnyuk, talk about Quadatem, talk right Patot Kong, talk right Bill Bab, talk right Abram Lado, ke Mowar Kanjelo. Palane Okin, Chiwaka Loco, we mentioned their location. Again, talk a message, Mitaka cheer my care Jack, Ka Wurur County. So in that message, talk right about wood and cheer my care Gangan, their position today, the reason why we talk to them, come like a message more, a dinu. Kalong din they let kalo. But Micha position din and Dana Chananga can Micha Nanga Chalakor. Talk right about all this thing. To go naked, you know the picture of that situation, they share my care. And then we come to an SPLM Ayu bad, Mecha Wad Mecha, take a Tigura Dela immediately. Number one, they over Wurur County headquarters, Alayuay Benang. Number two, over Kubu County Commissioner, Lakar and one, Nijim is Queen Yala or La Queen quite very removed. Number three, over de facto, I mean, the pocket of the SPLM IG to contact Padding. They clear they either join the SPLM IU, K. Chakalat Guam Chikawat. So to rock up the Konya Benialaga again, Tiangame. Kadung did media tila na ke situational update ke kuis ta mandan tere loko metalo daga yene ko dia lagor ke nei ko ngone kune elariye michiran jo malaje linge ke be like ke be share ko bene ko wan be ko shukran.